So the thing is, I don't want to review the iPhone 13. Pretty much it's like the iPhone 13 Pro, it's just missing some extra features, and honestly, I would recommend a 13 Pro over the 13 because it's only a $200 difference. There you go, saved you a bunch of time. But instead, if you still want the iPhone 13 because you want a smaller size, or maybe you don't care about the camera, or maybe you got a good deal on it, this is going to be the unboxing video as well as what you should do with that phone as soon as you unbox it. So let's get started. Here's the box for the phone, pretty much the same as all the iPhone boxes. So we'll pull this little tab right here, and then we'll pull this lower tab. And if you're wondering what's on the box, it just says iPhone on both sides, and then it has the Apple logo on the top and the bottom. So let's open this up. So here's the phone. Let's set that to the side. And there's this little thing that says designed by Apple in California. And that has the SIM card ejector, a little safety pamphlet, and a single Apple sticker. And then of course we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. And that's pretty much it. Notice on the box it says to recycle. Interesting. So let's put that back together and throw it aside. And here is the phone. It's a nice blue color. That's the one that I chose. And hold on. And it is a little bit different from the 12s in the blue color. But what I'm going to do, before I even power this on, I'm going to take out this tempered glass and I'm going to install it. This is something that I recommend for everyone. If you drop your phone a lot, then a tempered glass will definitely help prevent any damage from happening. But if you don't drop your phone a lot, this is also good to help prevent from scratches, because that screen is not scratch proof, even though Apple might make it seem like it is. They say it's scratch resistant or something along those lines, but they never say that it's scratch proof. So you can get scratches on it, and if you've ever owned an iPhone before, you know what I'm talking about. Then the next thing we're going to do is take out the case that I bought from this. I'll recommend a tempered glass that I use for my iPhone 13 Pro. It's not the same one that I'm showing right here, but I will also link the description for the case that I'm using, which is a Ringke case for the iPhone 13 Pro. This one is the Camo Fusion X version. It's not MagSafe compatible. They make a clear one that is MagSafe compatible, but either way, it still works out pretty well. I normally put these cases on my phones and I throw them around, and I've never had any issues. I've only cracked the tempered glass once, but that was only going like 15 miles an hour on a scooter and it kind of flew out onto concrete. Either way, that was only for the screen protector, not for the screen. And then I'm going to skip through the setup, and pretty much that's about it. So, like I said, tempered glass screen protector, Ringke case, all going to be linked in the description below. And I'm not actually sponsored by them. I would love to, but either way, here's some coupon codes that they give you when you buy a case. So feel free to use it for whatever is listed on here. And maybe these coupon codes would actually work for the case for your phone. Who knows? But either way, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or message me on Twitter. And as always, thanks for watching.